Hey, are you looking for a good quality kitchen gadget from Amazon? I have fixed the gadgets of their high percentage selling rate, demand, and customer rating. Those are very helpful for your daily life. All the links of the cool gadgets are in the description below the video. Subscribe on my channel and click on the bell to stay up to date with the latest technology reviews. This video is sponsored by couponsview.com. Here you will find all flash deal offers and coupon discount codes from various popular e-commerce sites like AliExpress, Amazon, and others. You will get the link in the description box. So let's start the video. And at number 10, the kitchen gadget is Igloo Portable Electric Ice Maker. Now, this ice maker price is $138.01. This is designed for convenience, portable, convenient, and compact in size. This retro metallic red ice maker looks good on a countertop while producing ice for whenever or wherever you need it. Large ice making capacity keeps the water tank filled, and this unit will produce 26 pounds of ice in a 24-hour period, enough to keep drinks cold all day long. Ice basket capacity stores up to 2 pounds of ice at a time. Quick freezing ice makes 9 small or large cylinder-shaped ice cubes in as little as 7 minutes. The control panel simple to understand and illuminated with LED lights. The electronic control panel lets you know when you need to add water, when the ice basket is full, and allows you to choose the size of the ice cubes. In at number 9, the gadget is Dash Express Electric Egg Cooker. Recently its price is $19.99. The original egg cooker from Dash, but now with 7 eggs. Simply choose your preferred eggs and set the timer. The auto shutoff function prevents overcooking, and the buzzer will alert you when your eggs are ready. 360-watt Dash Express Egg Cooker is backed by a 1-year manufacturer warranty and includes a poaching tray, omelet bowl, 7-egg holder tray, measuring cup, recipe book, and recipe database access. This is the perfect appliance for picky eaters, large families, or those who have busy schedules. 7 hard-boiled eggs, soft-boiled eggs, 2 poached eggs, scrambled eggs, individual omelets, and all within minutes of the push-start button. And at number 8, the kitchen gadget is Zyliss Easy Pull Food Chopper. Now this chopper price is $28.49. A versatile tool for chopping, preparing, blending, and pureeing ingredients. The Easy Pull can be used to make sauces, smoothies, breadcrumbs, dips, salads, and even ice cream. 25-ounce bowl and blades are top-rack dishwasher safe. The lid should be wiped with a damp cloth, do not submerge. The blades rotate in opposite directions to finely chop all ingredients. Booster arms on top and bottom keep food from sticking. Collapsible handle folds on top for easy storage. The simple design is perfect for small apartments. Place one hand firmly on the bowl, while pulling up and away with the handle. The 2-foot cord will naturally draw back. Do not overpull. And at number 7, the product is Dash Express Electric Cooker Hot Pot. Already this electric hot pot price is $28.73. The Express Hot Pot is the handiest appliance in the kitchen. The 1500-watt, 12-liter capacity can hold up to 4 cups of rice, boil water, cook noodles, reheat soup, and much more. Equipped with a control dial, you can adjust for the perfect cooking temperature, and in much less time than it takes to boil water on the stovetop. The indicator lights help prevent overcooking, and the cool touch handle makes it safer to use and transport to a serving dish, plate, or bowl. Non-slip feet for durable stability, and a recipe guide companion cookbook with 15+ recipes available in white, red, and aqua. And at number 6, the product is Dash Citrus Juicer Extractor. Already its price is $23.33. It has adjustable pulp control and a 32OZ container, which lets you decide how much you want. With no additives, preservatives, or extra sugar, be on your way to healthier, fresh squeezed juice in no time. The auto-reversing, electric reamer makes juicing a snap. Simply choose cone size and pulp setting, push down to juice, and release pressure to stop. With an easy pour spout, this juicer is so easy. Dash Citrus Juicer is backed by a 1-year manufacturer warranty and includes 2 reamer cones, 1 large and 1 small, fridge-ready 32OZ juice container with lid, recipe book, and all non-electric parts are dishwasher safe. In at number 5, the gadget is Tasti Crisp Electric Air Fryer. Now, this fryer price is $49.99. Tasti Crisp Air Fryer uses air crisp technology, instead of oil, to help reduce added fat by 70 to 80%, without sacrificing the flavor of your fried food. No more residual smell hours after you have eaten. Simply load the 2/4 capacity fryer basket, set the temp, and set the timer. Your food comes out crispy, and in less time than it takes to preheat your oven, making it more energy efficient. The auto shutoff function prevents overcooking, and the cool touch housing and handle makes it safer to use. The nonstick fryer basket is dishwasher safe for even easier. In at number 4, the gadget is OXO Good Grips 6lb Precision Coffee Scale. Recently this coffee scale price is $49.99. OXO Good Grips 6 pounds precision scale with timer measures from 0.5 gram up in 0.1 gram intervals for maximum accuracy. Weigh ingredients in grams, ounces, pounds, and kilogram up to 3 kg. The integrated timer and optional auto shutoff are perfect for pour-over coffee. Thin, compact shape making storing super convenient. Tare function allows for zeroing scale before adding additional ingredients. The smooth, flat surface is easy to clean. Large, easy to use, and easy to read digital display. In at number 3, the product is Presto Salad Shooter Electric Slicer. Now, its price is $35.97. The easy way to slice and shred vegetables, fruits, cheese, and more for delicious salads, soups, pizzas, tacos, and desserts. Just point and shoot right where you want. No extra bowls to clean. Grate chocolate, chop nuts, and make bread and cracker crumbs quickly and neatly. Interchangeable slicing and shredding cones slip right in. There are no complicated parts to assemble. Easy to clean and store. Base wipes clean, all other parts are dishwasher safe. Compact enough to store almost anywhere. Its electricity transfer limit is 120 volts, 60 Hz only. In at second place, the gadget is Presto 16-inch Electric Foldaway Skillet. Now, this gadget price is $51.40. It has a heavy cast aluminum base that features a deluxe nonstick surface, inside and out. Skillet pan and cover are dishwasher safe with the heat control removed. It is a built-in spout for pouring liquids from skillet, doubles as a spoon and spatula holder when cooking and serving. Base and handles detach and nest in pan for easy cleaning and storing. Great for every meal. A big 16-inch base and high sidewalls provide extra cooking and serving capacity. Saves energy because it is more efficient than a range burner or oven. Tempered glass cover and stay cool handles allow Skillet to double as a buffet server. Control Master Heat Control maintains the desired cooking temperature automatically. Fully immersible and dishwasher safe with the heat control removed. In at number 1, the product is Coway Aquamega 100 Water Purifier. Recently its price is $238.68. Coway Aquamega 100 is an easy installation countertop water purifier that filters up to 300 gallons of water per filter set. A direct flow water purifier that requires no electricity and minimal installation to get clean, crisp tasting water. 3-stage water purification includes sediment, carbon, and post-carbon filters to remove up to 99.9% of contaminants like lead, mercury, microbial cysts, chlorine, and chloramine. No more cleaning of the water tanks. The tankless water purifier is a more sanitary way of receiving clean drinkable water. Hassle-free direct faucet or pipe installation. Easily set up within minutes. Don't forget to subscribe, and I request you please share this video.